I hope you're all interested in the Vans Penn Slip-Ons, because here you go. This is the beautiful box they come in, shiny logo, just look at that. They come in this fancy netting bag inside the shoebox. I don't know what to call it. It's like a ball bag. The back of the shoes look great. Even the Vans logo is different color. Now, each of these shoes comes with a little baggie. Inside that bag, you get these little rubber doohickeys. And you can see me like taking that off right now. But these are meant to go on the shoelaces, I think. But one of them is actually a shock absorber. So you can put that on your tennis racket because tennis, Penn, you know. These shoes are fully sturdy suede. And my God, let me tell you, even in a dim lit room, these bad boys will light up. Thank you for watching.